guys, today I have a really fun video planned for you. I am making 5 different cocktails that you can make for Halloween. I think they're really fun. A couple of these Gary and I have not tried, so stay to the end to see our reactions, to see what we think of them. But I have planned to make a red poison apple with Jack Daniels and then a polyjuice potion. So shout out to my Harry Potter fans who know what that is. So that's going to be a bright green drink. And then I'm going to do a little bit of a different take on like a classic margarita because I personally love margaritas, so I'm pretty sure that's probably going to be my favorite one. I have a different take on it to make it a little more spooky, a little more Halloween, and it's really, really simple. And then I'm really excited for this candy corn martini, and it's supposed to look like a candy corn, so I'm really looking forward to that. Fingers crossed it actually turns out well. And then the last one is just a classic apple cider mimosa because you can't go wrong with a mimosa, am I right? I'm really looking forward to making these and trying these, and like I said, stay to the end to see our reactions. guys, I hope you enjoyed that. So we have all 5 drinks in front of us. Garrett really does not know which one is which, and there's one that he's definitely not gonna like. So this is the poison apple. Go ahead.
Yeah.
What do you think? It's a Jack Daniel's apple.
I taste the apple. I like.
Yeah, good. Yeah, we've never had the Jack Daniel's apple one before, so.
Never seen it.
That is really good. Next we have the Harry Potter Polyjuice Potion. Cheers. It's not bad, you'll like that one. It's just rum and pineapple juice.
It's good.
Yeah. All right. And then go ahead. So this next one is the Black Magic Margarita.
It's not bad.
Okay. This is the one I figured he wasn't going to like because he doesn't really like margaritas, but.
No. What's in it?
That's good. The next we have a candy corn martini. Not sure how I'm about to drink this right now, but we'll see. It's good. I think you'll like this one too. Do you like pineapple?
No.
You don't like it that much?
I don't like the Cool Whip. That's the deal breaker.
Yeah. This is the last one. And I'm pretty sure we'll like this because we had this weekend with our friends. So it's just the apple cider mimosa. Really simple, but it is so good. Highly recommend putting extra caramel on the rim. He's probably gonna drink it all.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff.
All right, do you wanna go first? What was your favorite and least favorite?
Least favorite is the Cool Whip.
Okay.
Second to least favorite. Middle one, I think it would be between these two, and then that's my favorite because the caramel on the side.
You should just get him the jar of caramel. I think my favorite is the margarita. And then actually, I think it would be the mimosa after that because that was good. And then probably the poison apple, and then the probably then the polyjuice potion, and last would probably be the candy corn martini. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got a couple good ideas. We're about to sit down, probably watch a movie, have a drink or 2 or 5.
Yeah, 5.
So please like and subscribe below.